Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining the Google Meet and getting the basics right. Use Chrome if possible and close extra tabs so the browser can scale the video. Once in, minimize or hide your self view to clear screen real estate. That immediately enlarges the main video. Make sure captions and side panels are closed before you change layout, because open panels prevent visible expansion of participant tiles and the presentation area. Next, choose whom you want big. Right-click and pin or use Spotlight if you're presenting. This forces that feed to dominate the layout. Once done, enter full screen mode with F11 or Control-Command-F so the Meet Chrome fills the display. If elements still look small, increase browser zoom to 110-125% to scale UI and video without changing resolution. This helps on high DPI laptops. Make sure grid or sidebar is closed so the pinned feed can expand. Finally, remove distractions. Close chat, people panel, and any floating captions so the active video occupies maximum space. If performance suffers, lower camera resolution in Meet settings to reduce CPU/GPU load. 360p can stabilize size and frame rate. If the layout refuses to resize, reload the Meet tab or restart the browser. That refresh often fixes CSS or GPU scaling glitches. If problems persist, try a different browser or reboot the laptop as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.